as urbanization is booming and embarking on a high-quality stage. It is increasingly concerned with environmental quality, cultural connotation, and city and countryside integration. In the context, it is more demanding on road lighting as a crucial part of the urban appearance. Nowadays, however, road lighting presents the same appearance in urban roads and lacks distinctive features. Conventional street light has such outstanding defects as high costs and electricity charges and environmental pollution. Conventional solar street light is barely satisfactory in quality and luminance due to low threshold and technical content. With respect to such problems, Road Smart, as a global leading solar intelligent streetlight pioneer brand, launches a brand new solar intelligent streetlight, Solar Flyhorse Light, on a global scale. Streetlight in a unique shape, originating from the creative design of the horse nap. Solar Flyhorse Light adopts a streamlined structure and has the unique beauty to break the mold of sameness. In combination with a featured light post in design, it will greatly boost the landscape effect and promote humanistic connotation in urban construction. Efficient and practical street light. Equipped with 150 LEDs in super high lighting effect and combined with exclusive patent lens, Solar Flyhorse Light solves such problems as concentration of light beams and outstanding dark spots, and creates effects of broader irradiated area and more even lighting through secondary luminous intensity distribution to present a brighter and more comfortable light for vehicles and pedestrians in night traffic. Street light is a longer service life. Solar Flyhorse Light adopts the latest lithium battery management technology and intelligent control technology to reasonable recycle lithium battery and extend charge and discharge cycle of lithium battery, as a result of which its service life is heavily prolonged to over 4 times of that of a conventional solar street light. Economical and energy-saving street light. Utilizing green and clean solar energy, Solar Flyhorse Light is simple in installation and maintenance and free from rain and paying electricity charge to hit targets of economic benefit maximization, energy conservation, emission reduction, and environmental protection. Compared with conventional LED streetlight, 1,000 Solar Flyhorse Light lamps save more than $45,000 in electricity charges every year. Compared with conventional high-pressure sodium light, 1,000 Solar Flyhorse Light cams save as high as over $150,000 in electricity charges every year, indicating annual reduction of consumption of over 1 million tons of standard coal and of emission of more than 3 million tons of carbon dioxide. Street light available for intelligent luminance adjustment. Through the advanced MPPT charge technology, Solar Flyhorse Light increases time of endurance to the greatest extent and sets different lighting models by area, time, and weather in the nighttime to adjust the luminance of light in an intelligent way. In addition, Solar Flyhorse Light has a built-in the 3rd generation intelligent microwave radar sensing technology to automatically sense and turn the light from dim light to bright light when vehicles or pedestrians travel in the nighttime. Street light available for intelligent color temperature adjustment. Solar Flyhorse Light pioneers in applying adaptive color temperature technology equipped with an environmental sensor for temperature, humidity, and PM2.5, among others. Through a combination with big data of nationwide weather and deep learning, it can make intelligent judgment on weather condition and automatically regulate color of light. In a clear day, it turns on white light in better lightning effect. In a foggy day, it automatically turns to yellow light in better penetrability to prevent traffic accidents. Intelligent IoT street light. Solar Flyhorse light is the world's first intelligent solar street light based on NB-IoT wireless communication technology, which can link all the streetlight lamps in a city town to form an Internet of Things, where an admin can make remote control of every lamp by computer or mobile phone to effectively fix streetlight management and maintenance problems and contribute to the city town's intelligent upgrading. Solar Flyhorse light shoulders the mission of Road Smart to lighten the intelligent pace and stands out by shining in the nighttime to make nature, ski-tech, and humanistic contribution to sustainable development of the international community.